Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for Xfinity Comcast error code DFPLN4000. The error comes when users try to add unlimited data to their plan. The error message either says that the line of business is temporarily unavailable or that the product isn't available for purchase at this time. According to our research, this error is likely due to restrictions based on your location or temporary issues with the Xfinity website. But don't worry, we found some workarounds that may help. Before trying anything else, check if you live in a state that is part of Xfinity's usage-based billing for internet data. If you do, then unlimited data is not available in your region. To find the list of states, visit xfinity.com/support/articles/data-usage-plan and look under the Exclusions section. If your state is not part of the usage-based billing program, then try adding unlimited data using an incognito or private browsing window. If that doesn't work, switch to a different web browser and try again. If the error persists, you can send a direct message to Xfinity support with the details such as your full name, the name on the account, if different, your service address. To send a direct message, sign into your Xfinity account. Click on the direct messaging icon, text bubble, at the top of the page. Click the new message icon, pencil and paper. Type Xfinity support in the To field and select it from the drop-down list. Type your message and press Enter to send. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.